and get it. Yep. Look at this trailer load we got. Woo-wee! We're gonna try to pick it up. That old tractor will pick it up, and when we come back, we're gonna let him load it on there. Lord have mercy. There's a bunch of little stuff in here. I'm gonna say this is about 16.
Yeah.
Huh?
Depends on what that weighs and picking up now. I know.
He wants me to haul the boat off too. let's go get this load unloaded. See what we got at the scrapyard. We'll be right back. Alright, we're gonna see what we got on this thing. Beth's gonna dump it back.
Can we do it now?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get that handrail that's on there off. Easy. Easy, go up easy. Go ahead. We got it.
That's okay, I shut the hell up, you know what I'm saying?
Hey. Hey. You look at YouTube?
Uh-huh.
You look at YouTube?
Okay, I do.
I'm fixing to make you famous. Look at my hand.
Oh, you do? You recording there?
I got 600 something subscribers.
Oh, okay.
I love it. Also, when I say maybe I can be your best customer, Jeff Lynch, my buddy works for him. He works for Jeff Lynch, so I'm gonna start scooping everything they haul every day. And I mean everything they pick up and they get rid of.
You need another card?
I just mean I'm really getting a truck for that. And so on a serious note, he's my next door neighbor, and so I'm gonna either stay busy selling it or dumping it. I know that. You know what I mean? So
Yeah.
pleasure to meet you, buddy. Yeah, I mean that.
Nice to meet you, man.
And I'll text you some information once it's all in motion, but I mean, that should be the next week or two. We'll talk.
All right. Okay.
You may pull it up or
All right.
you know, go up
Pull
some
up.
more.
Pull up. See if we can get this handrail out.
Okay, you got it.
Be careful.
You want me to jack it up a little bit more than get in the truck?
Yep, jack it on up. On up. Yeah, I'll lay y'all on the side there for a minute. We're gonna see if we can get the rest of this out. On up. All right, try to pull out. Hey, where you been?
Where you been?
I need an address.
I sent you the address.
No, you didn't.
Oh, it must have didn't come through because I sent it to you. Matter of fact, I sent it to you right after I got on the phone with you.
I never got it.
You see, I followed you on TikTok, didn't you?
Did you?
Crazy cracker.
Crazy cracker. Look at all this.
Been goddamn getting it, ain't you? When you trying to come to the house? You got time over the weekend?
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah.
about to shoot it. I'm about to shoot it for you right now.
Pull up a little bit and drop it. Or drop it.
These doors right here.
Drop it.
Drop it.
Drop it.
What's your number again?
864
Uh-huh.
395 1031. I'm trying to start a little TikTok stuff too.
I'm on there. I'm on there exclusively.
Man, we got a load. I'm telling you what. And still got to go back and get more. Leave that on there.
Leave this on there?
Yep. I got a purpose. You won't pull up? You can't pull up no more?
Yeah, it's just indoors. That door right there. A little bit I can't.
Crazy cracker.
Hey, I just sent it to you again, Bob.
Alright. Hey, don't tell nobody minding your deal now.
I didn't tell him. I told him. I said I got Pop Scrap back to come over here and goddamn bring me some wood and pick up this goddamn fucking scrap I got. I didn't say nothing else about that. That other shit he come out his mouth with, he just fucking, I guess, assumed that shit. You know what I mean?
Ain't got time. We normally do take them apart. But
Here,
we ain't got
here. You look at YouTube?
time. Yeah, we've saw you before. I'll let you know.
Let me know. I'll come get them.
Yeah, we just keep them in a storage unit. We just trying to clean it out.
But you know what my problem is?
What's that?
If I take them apart, they don't want to take them from me.
You got to have an EPA license
Or a LLC.
Yeah.
I'm fixing to get a LLC, so yeah, I'll take them apart.
Okay.
Ain't no big thing, ain't that right, Beth?
Yeah.
Well, we normally try to, but we just ain't got time.
Where y'all at? Where's you?
Over off 101 in Greer.
Yep, right there at the across from the builder place.
Yeah.
Yep. I've been by there one day and seen one sitting out in the field, and I said, wonder what they're gonna do with this. Yeah, I'll be glad.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'll give you a call.
All right, shoot me a text.
Yeah, this
I deal with Texas a whole lot better than I deal with.
okay.
I got to put that on.
What?
Yeah, we just got a good load of metal. Look at that little cart they had. Good little welding cart.
Yeah.
What you see in there? You see anything you want? Now I got to go back and get a big old one of them 300-gallon totes. We done picked up half the stuff out of it. He's just gonna set the rest of it on the trailer. Whole lot easier, you know what I mean? Yeah, just give me a holler. I'll come and get it. Y'all don't work too hard. What you digging into?
Oh, look at that. Stuff it was cut out in that metal.
Look at that weed. See the weed?
Yeah, I see that.
There's that other tooth I was looking for. They threw it on there. You want something cool, I'll give you something cool. Come here. I know, I got y'all against the box. I'm gonna give him something cool. Now you know what you do with that?
What's that?
When Halloween comes around,
Yeah,
set it in your yard,
yeah,
facing like your house or something.
Yeah.
And put your spotlight right here.
right.
And,
Okay.
and it leaves a shadow on your house.
All right, cool.
You'll have to put on there why
Yeah.
and set it out there and see if she jumps on you or not. Huh? She might jump on you. All right.
You want me to throw that box down in there more so it don't fly out?
No, we're gonna pull down here and then we can
I'll get
worry
out.
about it.
Yeah. The phone's ringing. I know you hear it. Yeah.
Trying to make arrangements
Yeah.
to get the other two cats' kahunas cut off.
Yeah. Where y'all
I think that's who it was, Animal Allies. They'll call me back. All right, we're gonna pull up on the scale and see what we got now. Them boys said they didn't have time to take them apart. I said, well, I'll come and get them.
Shit.
Huh?
They got time to take that shit apart.
They said they've been so busy they ain't got time to take it apart.
Over 2,000 pounds.
Yep. 10,540.
That's right at 2,000. Yes, ain't it?
Oh, yeah. Yep.
Yeah, it done the math on it. It's close.
Yep.
What is he talking to? Is that his daddy or something? He's about half damn Looney Tunes.
Yep.
Until he's on something.
I'd say so.
I know so.
All right, I'll be right back. All right.
I'll get back to somebody now. Hey.
Y'all be careful.
Yes, sir. I can tell you too.
All right. I'm on, big money.
Yeah.
Got that check?
That's right.
I know she don't want to be seen. I want y'all to look at this backwoods redneck engineering shit we come up with. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Beth, raise it up a little bit. Hang on. Just a little bit. Come on. All right, let her down. Let her down, babe. I told y'all, backwoods engineering. We know how to do it in the South. That's good.
Alright, we're at the barrel.
All right. He's going up there to get a barrel now and put it on here. Green Acres is a place to be. Farm living is a life for me. No, I took him Bill overalls off, and I never did tie my shoes
You're just a little
back.
bit unkempt today. I can't believe that. Most of the time you all done up.
Let's see what we got in here. We got a nice little table to roll around. Y'all may say I'm crazy or something, but this wire table right here, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna sit me about 3 or 4 buckets under it. And then when I drill the holes in the bottom of my compressors that come out of the air conditioners and all, they can sit right there and drain right through that into the buckets. And then I can cut them up.
Here.
And then I got some wire and stuff
Here,
right
you can
there.
take the ends of everything out of that. The brush thing.
That's a Makita.
Yeah, I like Makita stuff.
Makita.
At the house, I've got a whole bunch of like old grills and stuff.
Yeah.
We'll split them, and you take some home and down, and they don't have batteries. The batteries are old, and they're not gonna work. I'll give them.
Look
to
at
you.
all this mess in here. Lord have mercy.
Lord have mercy. That's good.
Broke.
Oh, that's a dye or tap and dye thing.
Yep.
I just got some new ones. Are those?
Yeah, he wanted that other handrail if you didn't want it.
Oh yeah, I mean, which handrail?
That one.
Okay.
Because he's got to put one up, and we got them two up yonder that you can take home with you.
Yeah. That's fine. I mean, whatever he wants, his stuff.
No, I was talking about Blake wanted that other handrail for Papa or somebody.
Yeah, well, he'll give it to Papa. I understand.
I don't know what they up there loading up, but they loaded something up.
Some kind of thing, like barrel.
Might want to stand that handrail up against that side so if they slide it up, Father, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I got it.
We don't crush it. That's good.
Pull it away from it a little bit.
Oh, I can't move that.
We ain't gonna move that. That ain't gonna happen.
That ain't gonna happen.
Not going to happen.
When I dump this, I'm gonna have to try to dump it where it'll roll over and dump it out. Might have to get.
Well, we could get some more out of it, a little bit more. Maybe we could push it over.
Take it back. Take it. Take it and let
Yeah, forks on the box rack, just
Yeah.
over.
They putting some stuff in a barrel up there they're gonna bring down here. I don't know what all they got. Here, hold that. It's recording, so you can record whatever you want to point it at.
Okay.
If you want to point it at me trying to tie my dad burn shoes, that's all right too. Look here, she done caught me tying my shoes.
I can't see the screen doing nothing.
It ain't. You can't see it. It's recording.
It ain't got like a little
I don't know.
thing that goes over the top of it so you can mask some of the sun out if you're in it. I mean, that's really hard to. I don't know.
There's an app that I got on the phone.
Yeah.
That I can look at the app. And I have my phone up here in front of me. And see
Oh,
what
that you can view it from the telephone or something?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Lord have mercy. Uh-oh. She gonna ride on the hood. Green Acres is a place to be.
Oh my gosh, you need to stop.
Farm living is a life for me. Lord have mercy. I'll pull out and then we'll back up the hill up there and go load that other stuff up.
Okay.
Got some aluminum and stuff like that up there.
Aluminium.
Yeah. I love to hear an old diesel tractor. Come on, you can do it. I got faith in you. Alright. Now I'll pull up there and we'll load the rest of it up. Alright, let's go up the hill. See if we can get this old Dodge out of this hole. We'll be right back.